Hi friends, you're welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer templates from one project to another, which is a way to maintain a consistent design style across multiple projects. For example, looking at this project, if I select this wall, go to the edit type of that wall, then turn this preview into the section modify type attribute, you're going to notice that there's a profile on it. I have several walls which are predefined and easy for me to use right on this project. It would be nice to transfer the same template to a new project so you don't continue to create the same profiles over and over. Now, to demonstrate what I'm talking about, I'm going to open a new project. I'm just going to go to File, go to new project. So here let's go to metric architectural templates and then click on OK. Here we have a new project. All right, so here if I select wall, for example, all of the predefined wall, you can't find them here. But if I go back to where we are coming from and I select any of these walls, then go to the property here and drop this down, you're going to see all the walls which are defined already. We have these with different names. You can't find them there, and this is what I'm about to transfer, and many other things which I have defined specifically right on this project. So for clarity purposes, the name of this project is project 2. All right, the new project that we just opened up is called project 1. Now what we are doing is to transfer the template from project 2 to project 1. Being on the project 1 here, the next thing we are going to do is to go to manage. On the top left corner, you're going to see transfer project standards. So you click on it. Here you see copy from. So we are copying from project 2 into project 1. These are the elements and templates that we are copying into this project 1. However, a whole lot of them already exist in project 1. So we are going to leave them all checked, then say OK. It says the following types already exist in the destination project but are different. Instead of just saying new only, I'm just going to overwrite it. So to confirm that, I'm just going to go to architectural tab, pick a wall. Then here, if I click on these properties, you're going to see the walls. So for instance, I select this, but you can use it to construct pillar or whatever. So if I pick rectangle, and then I go to 3D, this is what it looks like. Now you can use this for anything depending on what you want to achieve. Now if I want you to see what stuff this wall is made of, it's just to select it and then I go edit type. It is a wall with both sweep and review, and it has different types of elements as well. All right, so this is not what I should be creating on a new project. Since I already have it, it's just to transfer them. So this is how you can actually transfer your template from one project to another. If you like this video, just go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, do so for more contents like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.